Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is everlenia.chenelle for those who are new here, and for those returning, I just want to say welcome back. Today, of course, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm just gonna show y'all this cute look. Like, I'm so in love with this look, y'all. It's fine. But before we get into the video, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn your notifications on so you know when I'm posting too, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so per usual, we're going to start with, well, I'm going to start, rather, with my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill them in. Honestly, like, I don't see how people do their eyebrows after they do, like, their foundation and stuff, but maybe I should try it and see one day. But I just feel like you should do your eyebrows, then your eyeshadow, and then, you know, then your foundation and stuff. Then, of course, I am going to conceal them using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And I'm just gonna clean them up so that they're nice and neat. Right, y'all, and I just blend that out with a small fluffy brush like this. So like that line is not so harsh. Okay, now for prepping the eyelid for my eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the P.Louise Base in the shade Rumor 3. And I just started squeezing it out because one thing about me, I feel like I waste a lot of product. And I ain't trying to do that. 'Cause, like, what you wasting about? And I'll just take a fluffy brush and just spread that out like this. All right. Then I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna use my 24A Artist Pass by Morphe, which is the sweet one. And I'm just gonna use this shade here, which is like a light brown. And I'm just gonna put that into my crease and use that as my transition shade. And I'm just gonna blend that out back and forth like that. I'm going to take the Anastasia Eye Primer and I'm just gonna dab some on my eye. I'm gonna look up and then, well, let me put some more because that little dab ain't gonna spread over my eye. And I'm just gonna cut my crease with it. Y'all really be concentrating. Sorry. I be trying to talk to y'all, but it's just weird talking to people and they not talking back. But whatever. Okay. Alright, now taking my neon pigment stick, I'm gonna use green and just put that on my lid. That is so pretty. It makes me want to get some green because I don't think I have anything this green, but I got olive green, but nothing this green. Oh, I got some shoes this color. And then I'm gonna take that same, sorry y'all, I'll be shaking my camera like that. I do apologize. I'm gonna take that I'm gonna take that same shade from the Artistry, the Artist Pass palette, and I'm gonna just blend that out like this. Alright, now I'm gonna take this. I think this is by Black Radiance. I don't know, because as y'all can see, the thing is worn off. But I'm just gonna make a liner. First, let me get this on my eyelashes. And if y'all don't have any of these pads, like, y'all should get y'all some. My mama, she gave me these. I'm sorry, I don't know where she got them, but I'm sure you could probably get them on like Amazon. Or something. Yeah, no. And they help like if you want a sharp wing liner or whatever. I guess it's just like the equivalent to putting tape on your face. The only thing is, these some big old pads and they be hurting when I be trying to take it off. But my stuff be popping on. It be straight though. Now for mascara, and I always go to my go-to, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Y'all do not pump y'all mascara like I just did. I don't know why I did that. Got too excited. I'm pumping air all up in my mascara. So now I'm gonna take these 25mm lashes and apply them. I don't normally wear these, y'all, cause I don't know, they're a bit much for me, but I feel like they'd be cute with this. Well, I feel like it is cute with this, you see. It's just me though. So it's time for face, and of course I'm going to use the e.l.f. primer, and that's the Poreless Primer because I have big pores. Next, I'm going to conceal my dark spots. blend them out. Y'all see how sharp that liner is? P. Now that that's all blended, of course, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm going to use my favorite, my Makeup Forever. It's about time to get some more. I got some Fenty on the way, so. I really want to use my NARS foundation, but that's a that's the shade of my NARS foundation. It's the shade of my summer color, and I just haven't reached that yet. Alright, y'all, so I let that oxidize real quick because I wasn't liking how that was looking. I wasn't liking that at all. And I use that Can't Stop, Won't Stop Again just to, you know, because I'm about to contour my fave part of my makeup. I don't know, y'all. This green is giving me life. Like, I'm here for it. Period. Period. I'm here for it. Period. 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 And we're gonna contour. The process that I did before is called sculpting. And now I'm just contouring, adding shadows to my face. Like so. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend it out. I always suggest, well, I don't always suggest, but I'm going to suggest that you blend upwards for the simple fact you don't want to drag the skin down, causing your face to sag. And don't forget to do your nose, as I so often do. Alright, y'all, and now it's time to set and bake. So of course I am going to bake using my Juvia's Place setting powder. Do 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 do. Then I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contouring palette and just, you know, yeah, I'm sorry that I make so much noise when I be trying to do my videos. I can't help it. Ooh, and I'm gonna let that bake. Oh, first, I'm gonna sculpt out some more though. So, let me see. Just add a little bit there. And then I'm gonna take some more Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna just, you know, 90s. Of course, it's time to blend. Ooh, that's nice and pretty. I felt like I was being real rough on my face. Okay, so now it's time to highlight. First, I was gonna say now it's time to highlight, but first I'm gonna put some blush on, and of course I'm using my favorite blush, which is the Bellissimo Brown. Oh, it's just y'all see how pretty that is? Like, boom, like that's just so pretty, so pretty. All right, now we can highlight. And I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics one. I'm gonna use that one today. I feel like that's really pretty. Really pretty. Yep. And I know it seemed like I got a lot on because honestly, that is a lot. But it's okay because I'm also blend it out. That's some bright highlight though, but I'm gonna look glowy. Period. What if I left it like this? Y'all look crazy. gonna have to fix my eyeliner. Yeah, it's looking a little crazy. Okay. I had to fix that. I fixed it off camera, but I just mixed the highlights together. Now I'm just gonna add to my lash line and my waterline, and I'm just gonna do black. Something nice and simple. I was gonna do glitter, but I was like, no. Nah. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look, and I must say that I am really feeling this green. It's so pretty. So yeah, everything I used will be down in the description below, and yeah, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notifications on. Also, don't forget to follow me on IG, which is everlenia.chenelle, and of course I'll put all that information down below as well. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope y'all have a great week, great day, great month, great year, great years, whatever you want to call it. All right, thank you. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.